Good afternoon. Just had a little tidy up here in the workshop. Our first one of the day was dropped off this morning. This is a friend's nephew's bike. He's getting ready to put it in a show soon. I'm thinking next week or two. So he wants me to valet it and put some ceramic on it. I must say this is one of the cleanest. This thing is as new, if not better, Z1 900s I have ever seen. Every single nut and bolt on this, even down to the proper cable ties, all in the right direction. It's got the spare little key holder rubber there between the instruments, underneath, and look at that, absolutely as new. So I'm going to do just a good old polish on it. We will polish up all these cases. He was worried about a little bit of white in between these fins over here, so I'll probably get little XCP on a toothbrush, brush that just to keep that from corroding, and we will polish every bit of chrome and alley on this bike. We will use the white diamond metal polish, which does leave a waterproof protective coating. Yeah, let's get this up in the air and have a good old polish. It's going to be a while. Wish me luck. There you go, 3 hours and 30 minutes. This Kawasaki Z900 has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. This was a difficult one as it was so clean already, but I've gone over everything, polished every single bit of chrome on it, every single bit of alley, your forks, your engine covers, everything's been polished once, some of it 2-3 times. All the rear hub's been repolished. All the frame, I did a single stage machine polish on all the tank side covers and the tail section. We then prepped it and I treated it with the Ultimaxx Signature quartz. Look at the gloss on that. We put the Ultimaxx Signature Pro ceramic on all your instruments, switch gear, mirrors, all the frame has been prepped and treated with the Signature Pro. Every single bit of chrome, like I said, has been polished. We use the white diamond metal polish, which also leaves a protective coating on it. All the plastics have been treated with the Ultimaxx Trim-X. So yeah, all done. 3 hours, 30 minutes. I mean, this was a difficult one, like I said, as it was so clean to begin with, but now at least it is properly protected. Look at the shine on those instruments. Absolutely, this is a show winner. Now, waiting collection. What a lovely bike. Get yours trotted now. Give us a buzz. We're open 6 days a week. We do a satisfaction guaranteed service. We love the classics. Give us a buzz at 07966 249 963.